Presenting the Universal Welder System by North Alabama Pipe, a must-have for any fire protection fabrication company. This revolutionary machine reduces labor costs and fabrication time. The Universal Welder System welds 1/2" to 2.5" fittings on 1/4 to 8" pipe. The easy-to-use touchscreen controls makes the Universal Welder simple to operate. Data can be entered manually or scanned using a barcode reader and work ticket. Programmed to weld Anvil threaded and grooved outlets, the Universal Welder can weld outlets within 6.5 inches from the start of the pipe and 3 inches from the end. The Universal Welder System can be manufactured to right or left measure, depending on pipe flow throughout your fabrication facility. Cycle time to cut the hole, remove the coupon, place the outlet on the pipe, and weld the outlet to the pipe is 32 seconds for a 1/2" outlet and 55 seconds for a 2.5" outlet. Including the time required to move and position the pipe, we expect 300 welds per shift for mixed-size outlets at various locations. For small outlets at repetitive locations, we expect 450 welds per shift. This, of course, is dependent on the operator and the customer's pipe handling system. From start to finish, only 3 minutes. The Universal Welder is capable of 2 additional options: weave and quad weld. On the left, you can see the weave in action. On the right, you can clearly see the up and down torch agitation as it makes the weld. On the left, you can see the quad weld in action. On the right, you can see a demonstration of the 4 quick weld passes.